Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video from Monaco. It is our third day here, I think, and today I thought I'd go back to my roots, go back to where this channel really started, and that was car spotting, basically. Now, car spotting in Monaco I think is definitely one of the best places in the world to car spot. So basically we're going to explore the streets that are pretty much all behind us. Pretty amazing view from our Airbnb, I must say. And see what we can find, really. It's a prime summer's day here, so I'm sure there'll be no shortage of cool cars. So anyway, let's get stuck into it and hopefully have a really good day. Well then, we must be probably about 30 seconds into the video, if that, and we've already ticked off 2 hypercars to the list. Now let's run through this little selection of cars, which I believe is owned by the same chap, which is pretty mental. We have a right-hand drive Speciale Aperta Rosso Corsa with the Nero stripes, the first Monaco registered Pagani Veyron Roadster, not an exposed green carbon, which is actually quite refreshing. It's actually kind of a very metallic green with the gold accents and the tan interior. To see one of these with that really cool Monaco plate, I mean, for those of you who know me know that I just love Monaco plates. I mean, you'll see a Prius with Monaco plates and it kind of looks somewhat decent, but how good does this look? I think delivered probably less than a week ago, but yeah, stunning thing. One of 100 worldwide and the first of, I imagine, many here in Monaco, looking stunning. Over here we have a 918 Spider, of course one of the Holy Trinity, the only one with four-wheel drive, and the only one with a removable roof. Well, minusing the Ferrari Aperta, but that of course came later, one of 918 worldwide, and actually again one of many here in Monaco. And then we have an SV Roadster at the end, but can't get over this. Veyron Roadster and a 918 Spider. Stunning. I swear everywhere you go in Monaco it's just so unbelievably pretty, and this is why, or part of the reason why I absolutely love this place. Another reason why I love this place is obviously due to the amount of cars that are here, and you might be able to spot we're here at Ferrari and Maserati Monaco, and well, there's always cool stuff happening. We've got a 599 outside, and well, yeah, it's I mean, there's definitely no shortage of cool cars, right? Look at this. Enzo Laf, that one's Rosso Fuoco Opaco, factory matte paint, carbon shields and a matte carbon roof. Next to an Enzo with 2 F40s over there. I mean, nice. And that's just the stuff inside. If I come up here, we have another F40, 612, another F40, 599 and an F50. Okay, so I've just come across this BMW M2 and I'm just going to kind of run you through some of the bits which I've noticed straight off the bat. This thing is properly race prepped. Now, if I can zoom in here, we've got a set of Recaro bucket seats. We've got a nice full roll cage in there, coming around some slightly used and unlacquering carbon mirror caps, but we have a short shifter on the manual gearbox, some carbon bits here and there, but yeah, this thing looks nuts. Fully race prepped beast of a thing. How awesome is that? It's rare that you see modified cars here in Monaco, but yeah, fair play. That is very, very cool. Yes, definitely. And I've just noticed a Nürburgring sticker on it as well. The thing is, he's from Germany. I'd only imagine how many times that's been around there, but that is super, super cool. Okay, for a moment, forget the car game. What about the yacht game? Look at the size of this. This is absolutely huge. It's only until you stood right here, right next to the harbour, that you really realise the sheer size of some of these. It's a different world, man. Different flipping world. I can't help by doing a little bit of dealership spotting. In here, Aston Martin Monaco, we have the new DBS Superleggera Volante. Although the windows, you can kind of just see my elbow, which isn't ideal, but anyway, yeah, that's in there. And we'll whiz up here to Ferrari, because we have a couple of very, very special cars in there. We have, that's the wrong one, that's an estate agent. We have an F12 TDF in triple layer yellow, which I'll get a better view of it from over here, and also a matching spec on the Pista. That's super cool. Nice little combo. Now this is cool. It's certainly not every day that you see an Aventador S with an SV wing on it. It actually suits it really rather well. Fully blacked out spec as well. I like that a lot. Really cool. I think I've actually touched on this in a previous video, so I've actually seen the car before. But yeah, that's really cool. It's things like this which I just love Monaco. There's stuff about cars everywhere you go, and actually I have a little vlog segment to do, so why not hop inside, because you can literally hop inside this, and yeah, well, let's try and do this actually. Oh look, there's McDonald's in here as well. Nice.
My bum doesn't fit.
Okay, right. We're in. So we've just been sat down here by the tunnel actually, and literally like 5 or 6 species have gone past. Old E-types, Austin Healeys. So there must be some sort of classic car rally going on. But yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, I just thought I'd mention that. And now I'm probably stuck in this F1 car, but yeah, pretty good day. Do you see what I mean? Definitely a car rally going on. They seem to be all from Belgium as well. Always a nice change to see something like that rather than your normal supercars. Lovely. That was the M2 that I showed you earlier on, the race prepped one. Awesome stuff. Oh my word. Okay, this rally is pretty mad. That was a 300 SL Roadster. Chloe, that was about 1.5 mil. If this is real, which I'm sure it is because we're in Monaco, that is a lot of money. I mean, a lot of money. This Monaco things. Oh, just Monaco things. Another Chiron. This is, I think, the 18th or maybe 19th Chiron of the trip. If you guys watched my previous video on the channel, then you'll know that we saw the Bugatti rally that stopped off here in Monaco briefly. But here we go, another one. German registered one, obviously lives here or just visiting here in Monaco. Awesome spec actually, with the piano black on one side and then the pearl white on the other. Diamond cut wheels and the full white interior. How cool is that? I'm officially all Bugatti'd out from this trip. And yeah, cool to see this in a really unusual spec. You won't want to be wearing jeans with seats that colour, would you? But anyway, cool to see another Chiron. Anyway, I think that's probably a pretty good way to wrap up this video. Some good old-fashioned car spotting antics here in Monaco. It's always entertaining, especially when you see another show on just to finish off the day. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.